An employee's job performance difficulties can be addressed with a performance improvement plan, PIP. It specifies the objectives and actions the employee must follow to enhance their performance and correct any shortcomings. You can use the following stages to build a performance improvement plan. 1. Determine the particular performance problems that require attention. 1. Provide detailed, unbiased examples of the employee's performance that falls short of expectations. 2. Find the source of the performance problems. Is the employee underperforming because they lack the requisite abilities or information? Do outside variables have an impact on how they perform? 3. Set the employee's SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. The employee should be able to clearly understand these goals, which should be connected to the performance issues that need to be addressed. 4. Create an action plan that describes the measures the employee must take to accomplish the objectives and enhance their performance. Included here should be any instruction or materials made available to the worker to aid in the achievement of the objectives. 5. Establish a schedule for the strategy, with clear benchmarks and due dates for the employee to meet. 6. Review the worker's development on a regular basis and offer criticism for their work. One-on-one meetings, progress updates, or other methods can be used to accomplish this. 7. Consider changing the plan or offering more support if the employee is unable to complete the tasks within the allotted time in order to help them perform better. It's critical to keep in mind that a performance improvement plan should be developed in collaboration with the employee's boss in order to support the employee's success. Additionally, it's critical to be receptive to the employee's input and suggestions and to modify the strategy as necessary. Get the template and more at www.thehrlady.com store.